Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have 2024 Chrysler Pacifica and I will show you how to remove and replace the front turn signal light bulbs. This video will apply to these minivans made from 2017 all the way up to 2026. Also, if this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the video, subscribing to the channel or becoming a channel member. Now, replacing these light bulbs is really easy on these vehicles. I will show you here on the passenger side. So you see there's this socket, and all you have to do, you have to turn it counterclockwise like this and pull the bulb straight out, and here it is. Okay, now to remove the bulb from the socket, you just pull it straight out. There is no twisting or anything, and when installing the new bulb in, just insert it straight in. Now, one more tip, you always want to use like rubber gloves, because just the oil from the skin will lessen the life of a light bulb. So I don't have gloves handy right now, but that's just a tip you might want to do. Now the other side, the driver's side, will be completely the same. It's also very easy accessible. I will not pull it out now, but I will just show you. See, just turn it and pull it out. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.